Hello everyone, I'm Darshan from Team Coding Gurus and here's the project demonstration of our project EngageIQ for the level Supermind Hackathon. So here's the basic flowchart of our project. Our project generates insights for Instagram. Therefore, the user has to enter the username. We have to make sure that the username is public. After that, the user has to click on generate. As soon as the user clicks on generate, the Django API immediately starts scraping data from Instagram and uploads it to the data stack. Next, the Langflow API fetches the data using the data stacks. Next, the response that we get from the Langflow API is then mapped and displayed in the graphical form. The USP of our project is that we have data scraping that is included in our project. We have user-friendly user interface. Also, we have graphs and reports that are being displayed. The tech stack we have used is React. We have used Django. We also have Langflow and data stacks that are mandatory. Also, we have used Tailwind CSS. Here is the flow of our Langflow API. So here we have the chat input which we are passing through our UI, and for embeddings we are using Mistral AI embeddings, which further moves on to AstraDB. So here we have implemented the vector store using the AstraDB. So after parsing the data, the text prompt, it generates the response and the data is then parsed to the prompt template which we have passed. So if I quickly show, here is the parse, here is the edit prompt, and here is our template for the output. And we have kept in mind that we have to generate graphs. So here is our entire template, which then moves on Grok for AI inference, and then we get the chart output that we get on our UI. So the playground again works here. I'll be showing the entire thing on our front end. Moving forward, we also have our Django API which we are using to scrape data from Instagram. So we have made use of BeautifulSoup for extracting data. So here quickly, if I show a demonstration, I have put the URL and also I have put the endpoint. After that, as parameter, I need to pass the username of the user whose data has to be scraped. We have to make sure that the username which we want to scrape data has a public profile. So if I quickly enter send, so the request is sent, and if we watch here, so the data is actually being scraped. So we are able to collect the data from the reels. For the post and for carousels, we have added dummy data. So for now, we have done the scraping of the reels, and if we check the database now, so this is the AstraDB. So if we check here now, we can see Technical Guruji has been added here. So here is the user interface of our project, and here we have to enter the username, the Instagram username, which has to be public. So for instance, if I put up beer biceps and I click on generate insights, so here are all the insights that have been generated. We also have average metrics that are being displayed, the top post, its likes, shares, comments, the engagement rate. We also have the matrix correlation here. Here we have the insights that are being printed, and also the recommendation for the same. So in case if you want to ask any custom questions, we also have an advanced setting option here. So we can enter our custom query here. So let's say for instance, if I put up give me stats for all the posts, and I quickly generate insights. So in that case, we have insights and recommendation that are put up. Here we don't have graphs. So in case if we want graph, we can go with the default query that is there without the advanced settings. So here we have put advanced settings, so as in the future we can add up more and more details that can be displayed here. So that's it for the video. All the links that are related to project, including the GitHub repository, will be available in the description. If you have any suggestions for our project, let us know in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching.